story in a fresh blow to the Board of Control for Cricket in India. The Supreme Court today dismissed BCCI's petition seeking review of the court's verdict of the 18th of July, which had validated the Lodha Panel recommendations. Earlier on Monday, the court had reserved its orders on the Justice Lodha Panel's status report for appointment of new administrators after the Indian cricket body sought more time to implement the Lodha reforms.
The Supreme Court on Tuesday dismissed a review petition filed by BCCI to look into the verdict passed by the court in the Lodha Panel logjam. The Cricket Board had asked the Supreme Court to consider review of the verdict passed on 18th of July, where the judicial body had accepted the recommendations made by the Justice Lodha-led panel, which made a wide range of suggestions for BCCI to implement. In the order passed on July the 18th, the court had okayed the reform suggested by former Chief Justice of India, R.M. Lodha-led panel, which had made widespread ideas to improve the administration of the game in the country and make it cleaner. Some of the most important reforms are one state, one vote, one person, one post, and a 70-year age limit for office bearers. But in the months since, the BCCI have been reluctant to implement these three important recommendations. While the board accepted some small reforms at its recent special general meeting, the court on Monday decided to consider imposing monetary sanctions on the BCCI until the board implements reforms mooted by the panel. The court reserved its orders on issues such as fixing a limit on money the BCCI could use and seeking the Lodha panel's approval for all financial contracts and agreements. The court also has an option to appoint independent administrators in place of current office holders, but the plan has been considered as an extreme option. The court had barred BCCI from handling funds to state associations, with some state bodies disallowed from using these funds. Sports Desk, DD News.